This is Mr. A, injured Mr. Adventure, and mga ka-A. We are here at top of the mountain, hometown ng Mingaw, injured walay tao. Pero naitangki, ha, dara, taas kaayo. Pwede ko itong sakara, mag-video-video, pero delikado, basig ma-slide, magbalintong-balintong, basig, isabot, basig kita ang tagwardya, yari ta. Pero tayo tingnan kung makasaka ta. Ayan o. So, ang ganda ng view. Mr. is here and okay no. Ayan. So mga ka-egg, mga ka-adventure na to diha. Before I go, please follow me to my video to come and so my Facebook and TikTok. So please follow me because Mr. A gonna go cause gigotom na ko. And by the way, this Mr. A in short, remember always we gonna go and remember kapag walang power, walang ranger. Babu.